Exciting Design and Art Events 2025. Melisa Teo's Two Rivers and Milan Furniture Fair highlights. Get ready to be inspired. Paris-based photographer Melisa Teo is set to unveil her captivating project, Two Rivers, which beautifully intertwines her life experiences with stunning visuals. This remarkable exhibition will first grace the iconic Anderson Bridge, located at the mouth of the Singapore River, from April 23rd to May 31st. Following this, it will move to the vibrant Vivo City, showcasing at the Waterfront Promenade and Southwest Boulevard from June 4th to July 4th. Teo's Two Rivers book is not just a collection of photographs, it's a heartfelt exploration of her memories and dreams, featuring breathtaking images from both the Singapore River and the Seine River in Paris. The Singapore River is where I was born, while the Seine River is where I was reborn, Teo reflects. The Singapore River carries my memories and the Seine River, my dreams. While I left one behind in search of the self, I discovered that all our destinies are intertwined. Just as all rivers eventually meet at the sea, we too are one. This initiative is a beautiful collaboration supported by both the French and Singapore governments, celebrating 60 years of diplomatic relations. The exhibition is proudly presented by the French Embassy as part of the Voila France-Singapore Festival 2025, with backing from Singapore's Ministry of Culture, Community and Youth, National Arts Council, National Parks Board, and Land Transport Authority. Notable project partners include Mapletree Investments and the Fullerton Hotel Singapore. Renowned French journalist Pierre Hasky describes Teo's work as akin to the Impressionist painters of the 19th century, stating, "She uses her camera not to reproduce reality as it is, but to express how she feels it, transforming it into something sublime." For those eager to learn more about the Two Rivers exhibitions and the exciting activities lined up, visit melisateo.com. If you wish to pre-order the stunning 120-page hardcover book, simply email Clara at martinfr. It's priced at approximately €33, 49 Singapore dollars, and published by Les Editions du Pacifique in Paris. In other exciting news, the world's largest furniture fair, Salone del Mobile Milano 2025, has just concluded its 6-day showcase in Milan, attracting over 300,000 visitors. This 63rd edition took place at the expansive Rho Fiera grounds, covering about 169,000 square meters and featuring innovative designs from 2,103 exhibitors across 37 countries. Complementing the fair was Milan Design Week, which included the Salone Satellite, highlighting emerging talents, and Fiera Salone, a series of events held in various venues throughout the city, celebrating the rich tapestry of Italian art, fashion, and design. One standout installation at Fiera Salone was the breathtaking Library of Light by English artist E.S. Devlin. This monumental piece, spanning 18 meters in diameter, encircled the iconic Antonio Canova bronze sculpture of Napoleon Bonaparte at the Pinacoteca di Brera. Devlin, often referred to as a poet of light, drew inspiration from Umberto Eco's words, "Books are the compass of the mind, pointing to countless worlds yet to be explored." Her revolving sculpture featured illuminated bookshelves housing 3,200 books, creating a mesmerizing experience. At the Pharmacy Courtyard of the University of Milan, Amazon teamed up with Mad Architects to reimagine the traditional Italian piazza with their installation, The Amazing Plaza. This vibrant creation utilized colorful EDFE strips, crafting an ethereal outdoor atmosphere, showcasing the modern interpretation of a town square, which has historically been the heart of social and commercial life. Another highlight was Google's installation, Making the Invisible Visible, which transformed abstract ideas into tangible forms through light. Visitors were invited into a space where lighting became an architectural element, allowing them to feel and almost touch the rays of light, showcasing the synergy between art and design in the creative process. For more information about the Salone del Mobile, visit Salone Milano.it/n.